Hi, my name is Kunal Dua. I'm a CEO of CrossK. CrossK is purely an Indian company set up in Gurugram, Technology Hub of India. First, I would like to share what we have been working on since last 6 months. Basically, we are connecting the dots of emerging technologies. I have understood the pain points and the struggle of emerging technologies business operators and their desire to convert their great product into great business. In other words, they must be having an excellent product, but are they having a great business out of it? That's a problem, that's a challenge, that's why the startups are failing. Therefore, we started to design a unique platform to bridge this gap for global future tech community. This platform is dedicated to future technologies and aims to connect the brightest mind of the world into one place. This platform is highly scalable and will be a source of wealth generation and employment generation for India. Everyone asks me how all this gets started. It is all because of my career orientation towards international business, emerging technologies and the e-commerce startups. We are aiming to help small businesses in developing countries to pitch their innovative solutions worldwide. It will be an opportunity discovery platform for emerging technology business operators and solution discovery platform for emerging technology seekers. Our platform provides single window to build quality connections and ultimately build business pipeline at lower customer acquisition cost while sitting in the host country. Our platform journey begins with onboarding, then user interface, and it ends with the business pipeline. Our onboarding process confirms the background of applicant at our platform is of emerging technologies only. Whereas the user interface allows members to interact on real-time opportunities and solutions using various conversation starters and call to action. And finally, the pipeline helps to do the business forecasting. It will answer where you expect the money to come in at different timelines. In nutshell, our platform gives more power to future tech community of India and the globe. Stay tuned with us for more updates.